Switching to a new iPhone is exciting, but transferring your photos seamlessly is crucial. Avoid manual hassles or incomplete transfers. Here are 6 great ways to move photos from Pixel to iPhone easily. Part 1. How to transfer photos from Pixel to iPhone via USB. 1.1 Using phone transfer. To transfer photos from Pixel to iPhone while keeping original quality, use phone transfer, a tool for efficient data migration. User manual. Download and install the software on your computer. Connect your Pixel and iPhone via USB cables. Follow on-screen prompts to confirm both devices are recognized. Ensure the Pixel is set as the source device. Select Photos and choose Images to transfer. Click Export to Device to start the transfer. 1.2 Using iTunes. User manual. Connect your Pixel to Windows via USB. Select File Transfer. Create a folder for the photos. Disconnect the Pixel and connect your iPhone. Open iTunes. Go to the Device tab. Select Photos. Check Sync Photos and choose the folder. Click Sync. Part 2. How to send photos from Pixel to iPhone wirelessly. 2.1 Using Move to iOS. Install Move to iOS on your Pixel. Turn on your iPhone and start setup. Choose Move Data. Open the app and tap Continue. Enter the code. Select Camera Roll and tap Next. Find photos in the Photos app. 2.2 Using Google Photos. Install Dropbox on both devices. Sign in on your Pixel. Tap Plus and select Upload Files. Choose Photos and Upload. Sign in on your iPhone. Find Photos in Photos. Tap a photo. Select the 3 dots and choose Export Save Image. 2.3 Using Dropbox. Install Dropbox on both devices. Sign in on your Pixel. Tap Plus, then Upload Files. Select Photos and Upload. Sign in on your iPhone. Find Photos in Photos. Tap a photo. Select the 3 dots and choose Export. 2.4 Using Copy My Data. Install Copy My Data on both devices. Connect to the same Wi-Fi. Open the app and tap Next. Choose Transfer over Wi-Fi. Select your Pixel. Confirm the code and tap Next. Select Photos and tap Next.